Doge is testing a crucial resistance level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. If you're interested in free trade updates as well as free technical analysis updates in terms of all of your favorite charts, check out the link in the bio. Join our community. We're pushing nearly 2,600. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Dogecoin analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see on Doge, we ended up seeing a failure pattern trying to break above those exponential moving averages, but you can see that bears were in control, using them as resistance, and now we've seen a free fall opportunity down into the 0.218 level. Now, of course, the 0.218 is a major resistance, and now, of course, should be acting as a major support. If, of course, the bears do end up breaking below the support level, then we are looking for a 0.205 possible local bottom before a stronger continuation. But all eyes as of right now remain on the current exponential moving averages. You can see that, of course, we are still trading below them. And as you guys already know, I mentioned in the previous videos as well as on Telegram, in order for us to have any sort of bullish momentum, we need to actually break above the EMAs, retest them as support, and then of course take out the wick high, and that is your confirmation for the next leg opportunity. Until then, if we are trading below the EMAs, we are simply just waiting to see where exactly Doge is going to bounce. Now, of course, I personally don't like shorting during bull runs like we've seen before, is because 9 out of 10 times you may catch a very nice short opportunity, but again, the overall trend is still bullish. Now, if we look here on the daily time frame, there's a few things I wanted to point out. Number one, of course, for you guys already in Telegram, I mentioned to you guys that we were looking for a daily exponential moving average retest across the board for most of the altcoins. You can see that as of right now, Doge is fighting for the 20 EMA, but also using the 9 EMA as resistance. What we want to see over the weekend, of course, is some sort of bullish momentum to at least try to overcome the 0.244 region. Then, of course, a retest of support, and that would be our confirmation for a long opportunity. But you can see that the area that we rejected should not be a surprise to anyone. This was the top of the W formation, the same formation I talked about for multiple days. You can see that profit, of course, was end up taking, and then of course we saw that bearish engulfing, but it does not mean that the overall move set is over. It does not mean that the bear market has started for Doge. All we really need to see, of course, is a breakback above the 0.282, and then of course that's our next momentum candle into the 34-cent region. This area is a major resistance. We've seen multiple retest opportunities of 0.28. Now, of course, this is the third test opportunity, but this is why I'm telling you guys that if, of course, the bulls can manage to break above the EMAs and retest as support, and we do end up pushing back above into 0.282, that is the confirmation we want to see for a swing position, or of course a massive short squeeze, and that is the trade you want to be entering, because then of course that is now the fourth test opportunity, and the more times a resistance level is tested on a larger time frame, the larger the move set tends to be. So this is why I'm telling you guys to just be patient in the current level structure, wait for the EMAs to at least try to overcome and use the support, and then of course we can start looking for some buying opportunities or long opportunities. But until then, we want to pretty much just be sitting on our hands. I know it's boring, I know it sucks, but at the end of the day, it's much better than getting chopped out on Doge. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. And if you guys have one.